How to log into your Hulu account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and then search hulu.com in your search bar. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Login. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your email that your Hulu account is in. Then add your password and press on login at the bottom and you will be logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can also click on don't have an account and create a new account. If you already have one, you can simply add email, password and press on login and you're good to go. This is how to log into your Hulu account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.